Hello, friends, and thank you for joining me in my studio today. Welcome if this is your first time. And thank you, Lee and Jeremy, for starting out our collaboration today. This is another Thousand Below collaboration, and for me, this is going to be my last time joining because I have hit 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed and liked my videos and have shared my videos and all of that stuff that helps us artists out so much. And I want to thank the other artists who have been involved in this collaboration for sharing the space with me. It's been absolutely wonderful. And I wish you all the best in the future and getting to your goals as an artist and as a YouTube content creator. So thank you all so much. Today's piece is a marble roll, and that was suggested by Sparkle. And if you don't know Sparkle, she is just a lovely artist. I'll make sure that her and all of the other artists are listed below in the description. And I highly recommend her because she is just so full of joy and love, and she's just a delight to watch. So be doing a marble roll along with some cell activator that I'm going to be swiping through. Not quite sure where or how I'm going to do that yet, but I'm going to bring it down, I'll show you the colors, and then we'll go from there. Thank you so much for joining me. Here we are with the colors today. I have a blue that are drips that I saved from other paintings, strained, add a little bit of white to make a pretty light blue. I have emerald green from Soho, scarlet red from Rust-Oleum, Sky Harbor from Modern Masters. These are some drips that were left over from a couple of other colors that I combined. Iridescent silver from Golden. This purple is also drips or ends of cups that I combined. Same with this kind of orangey color. I have iridescent gold from Goldens. And then back here I have an orange that is made from cadmium yellow and crimson red. My yellow here is cadmium yellow from Blick. And then I have Venetian blue from Modern Masters. I just wanted to take this opportunity to let you guys know that this painting, as well as some other Pride themed pieces that I've done this month, will be available on my Etsy shop once they are sealed and ready to ship. And the proceeds for this painting and all of the other Pride paintings will go to a couple of nonprofit organizations that I have been donating to for a while, and I will put the link to those not-for-profits in the drop down below. One is a medical resource and one's a legal resource for the LGBTQ plus community. So yeah, and if you happen to be in the Chicago area and want to pick up your painting, I will donate the price that I would have spent on shipping as well.
There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's so dark, can't see the light. But babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh. You, my love. There was something you were screaming about, but I closed my ears cause I don't wanna hear it anymore. God, it's always something about me, never something about you, always something about me, only me. What's up with that? What's up with that? Have you ever asked yourself, what's up with that? Oh baby, why won't you take a good look at yourself and stop blaming me when I just wanna be with you? You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Here's a quick wet walkthrough. I'm really kind of happy with how this turned out. This turned out so cool. I am loving all of the lacing that we're getting from that cell activator. I love this kind of washed out white over the blue. There are some really, really interesting pieces to this. I love that little blue and gold section. And that pink and purple are playing together really beautifully too. Okay. Here we are with the dry results. Sorry I couldn't take this outside, but it's raining today. I am really happy with how this turned out. This dried gorgeously. Look at that lacing. And I love this kind of shadowy lace here, as well as here. Yeah, I think this turned out stunning. I love the golden blue, the pink and purple. I know this wasn't a typical marble roll or kind of even what I had planned, but I am very happy with the results and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me and the other artists. If you haven't liked and subscribed for anybody yet, I highly recommend you do. We really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.